Hey, what's up guys? Bob Grows here. We're here in my garden as usual, the backside of my house, beautiful South Florida. The reason we're here today is because we have a harvest and you can see all of my beautiful cherry tomatoes. This was all harvested today. I get a harvest like this every 3 or 4 days and I want to say this is easily over a pound of beautiful red cherry tomatoes. Let's turn around real quick and we'll check out the plant because there's still some on there. I only take them when they're fully ripe, but there you can see there's still a bunch on here. And then down here where they just hang. Here we have the jalapenos. They're still babies, but there's tons of them. They're everywhere. This is my deep water culture and Dutch bucket setup. These are the pepperoncinis. Some of them turning red. I'm storing them because I'm gonna make a hot sauce. I'm gonna ferment them and make a hot sauce out of them. We have the figs here, bok choy. Yeah, there's more there. The basil doesn't look too hot. I transplanted that not too long ago. All right, let's take a seat here. We have the bell peppers. They're already going to flower. I don't know if there's a correlation between flower size and size of the fruit, but this has huge flowers compared to my jalapeno and my pepperoncini. So I'm just gonna assume that, you know, since bell peppers are bigger, they got bigger flowers. Let's continue forward. We got, this is interesting using the front facing camera. This fell over, but this is the Cherokee purple tomato. And like I said, this has really big flowers. So I'm assuming it's bigger tomatoes, bigger fruit. Everything's falling over, so I have to, you can see, I'm gonna have to string them up to the ceiling up here, which is what I did with the other plants. Here we have another cherry tomato. This is a clone. Again, also falling over. This one doesn't have any, none of these have any fruit yet. Because if you recall, they were transplanted not too long ago. But there you have it. I just really want to show you guys my harvest. Here it is. Whoa. Maybe we'll eat one, right? Oh, that's delicious. So that's what it looks like inside. All right. Like and subscribe below. Again, there'll be more updates in the future. Thank you guys.